What's the meaning of crude? Crude. Crude.
Crude. Crude. The word crude can be used in various contexts, but generally refers to something that is in a raw or unrefined state, lacking sophistication or polish. When used to describe oil or other fossil fuels, it typically refers to oil that has not yet been refined or processed into usable products like gasoline or diesel fuel. Crude oil is typically extracted from the ground and transported to refineries where it undergoes various chemical processes to separate out different components and produce the final end products. Overall, the term crude implies something that is rough, basic, or unprocessed.